Hey guys, Darth Vader Halloween here. Today we're going to be playing an exclusive demo of the Raver Repair Simulator game that Robotical Halloween has made. And I actually have him in a call right now, so hey, what's up, Robotical? Say hello
Hey,
to the
I'm actually
audience.
here. We 8,000 takes of this, but that's okay.
Yes. Alright,
So
so
basically, I had to be tech support because the thing wasn't working right, and I had to basically over a call explain to Darth Vader how to copy the new game to the old Raver game engine, and that took like 10,000 decades, but we got it.
yeah,
Oh yeah,
we did.
we've got a few people in here. Not all of them are gonna talk, but we have that.
Yo, what's up, guys? This is Reaper
I have
Hallows
thought.
here.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, we have.
shout out.
Let's join the call. Just don't be loud. Where Darth Vader's making a video.
Yeah, we're doing things. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go ahead and get started.
Left.
Alright, hopefully it'll automatically switch. No. No. Here we go, okay.
Oh, you having tech problems?
Robotical.
Indeed.
It's lagging for me. Oh god.
Too bad. Free play, story, or options?
Only free play works.
Oh, okay.
You can try
Yeah,
clicking
that's
the
why
others.
it's I guess that's why it's a demo. Broken gear or bad components. The gear of the split. Okay. Bad component.
The option for a split gear has a split gear itself.
Nice. Oh no,
Yeah.
a component in this Grave Raver has failed. It's your job to figure out which one fried and to replace it. Okay.
So my assumption would be that someone overpowered the board. Very bad idea.
Yeah.
If the Grey River had an adapter jack or an
Yeah.
adapter port. What the heck?
Click the burnt out component and click again to install a new
I
one.
wonder which one it is.
I wonder. Yeah, I did it! Alright.
What?
Yay! Nice.
Yes. That was it. That's it.
Great! Nice! I completed my first repair, let's go.
That's literally the whole demo.
Coolio.
You can look for secrets.
I can look for secrets.
Let me show you how to scratch it.
I wonder who that could be.
Yeah, I wonder.
Either way, destiny still arrives.
Wow.
It's funny because Discord isn't even playing the audio. I just know what's happening.
Nice. Okay. Well, that was the Grave Raver Repair Simulator. This is only a demo, so...
That's why it was like 5 seconds long,
Yeah.
shorter than all the Grave Raver games combined. Wait, what?
Yeah, okay, so... Right, that was a pretty short video, but...
But
Any-
it's something.
Yeah, at least, yeah, it's something. Okay. Alright, well, that was very nice, and...
Yeah.
Good video. I will see you guys in the next video.
The full
See you
game will
later.
be released eventually.
Yes, it will. Alright. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen.